No, I don't need anything like that.
Oh, that one's right past.
Welcome aboard Safari Skyway, a bird's eye view of just some of the family fun here at Chessington World Adventures and Zoo, and introducing some of our amazing animals. Please remain in your seat during the safari and keep your arms and legs safely inside the carriage. No eating, drinking or smoking whilst on board, and please respect the animals below. Now sit back and enjoy your Skyway adventure. Below us now are nearly 60 different species of birds and mammals. My favourites are the penguins. Penguins are birds, even though they can't fly. Among the rarest in the world are the Humboldt penguins. You can see them here. They're very well suited to the climate here in England. Families have been coming to Chessington to see the animals since the zoo first opened in 1931. Our adventures are designed for families in mind, and now over 90% of all of our rides and attractions are suitable for the young 12s. You can check your adventurer's map for height restrictions. Can you see our safari-themed hotel? The Holiday Inn Chessington is the ideal place for families to stay and explore a whole world of adventures. As well as the variety of exotic birds, there are some cute monkeys down there too. Can you see them? Below is our very own Sea Life Centre. Brand new for 2009 is Amazonia with piranhas. Inside Sea Life, you can get close up to over 100 different species of marine life. Plus, there's an amazing tunnel where you can walk through a huge fish tank and come face to face with sharks. Do you see that big old house? That's Hocus Pocus Hall, full of magic and spells and a wizard with some very naughty goblins.
Through the trees. That's cool.
Oh, it's cool. Good.
They say they're busy making some extra mischief for Halloween Hocus Pocus.
Paint's awesome quickly as well.
We're coming to the Trail of the Kings, where you can get up close and personal with some rare and amazing animals. We're proud to have one of the most successful gorilla families in Europe, including lots of baby gorillas born here. Chessington World Adventures and Zoo plays an important part in the conservation and breeding of many endangered animals. We support the Cameroon Wildlife Aid Fund, which protects the western lowland gorillas in their native environment. There are very few of these fantastic creatures left in the wild. Gorillas are a type of ape. Do you know how to tell a monkey from an ape? Simple. All monkeys have tails. Gorillas are plant eaters, but there are some serious meat eaters here too. No dragons, of course, we haven't got to them yet. But you can see Asiatic lions, Sumatran tigers, fossa and Persian leopards. Leopards can run as fast as 35 miles per hour over a short distance. They can also drag an animal 3 times its own size up a tree. You can see our Kings of the Animal Kingdom being fed every day, and see the new Wildwood Animal Antics presentations in front of Hocus Pocus Hall. And for a fascinating and entertaining display, don't miss the spectacular sea lions as they enjoy themselves in one of the largest purpose-built pools in Europe. Check for details about the animals' show and feed times. Transylvania now, with the treetop flying vampire. With families in mind, this ride is suitable for little vampires to try out their first roller coaster. Fantastic. You only have to be 1.1 metre tall, so that's nearly everybody, except penguins, of course. There's so much to do here at Chessington World of Adventures and Zoo, and lots of fun to be had. Have you dared to enter the Forbidden Kingdom yet? Try blasting your way through the tomb, hidden behind ancient walls. And watch out for that cheeky Dennis the Menace and his friends in Beano Land. They're always having fun in Bash Street. Have you ever ridden a flying elephant? You can do that here too, in Toy Town. Venture into Mexicana, and it's another world of fun, with trains that run away and snakes that rattle. All is not as it seems. For the youngest of adventurers, why not take the driving seat of one of Toby's crazy cars? Whatever you do, look out for the dragons of Chessington. Apart from Dragon Falls and Mystic East, there's a furious one that spins you around in Land of Dragons, where you might get to meet Spike and Cinders in person too. Mums and dads can relax with a coffee, while young adventurers enjoy the brilliant shows of the Dragon's Tail Theatre. There's just so much to explore. Don't forget that Chessington Zoo and Sea Life are open during the winter. If you fancy 12 months unlimited entry to all Merlin Entertainment's group attractions in the UK,